Children, welcome to our English classes. Today, children, I am going to start our course book again. In course book, lesson number 2, January Night. January Night. This short story, which has been translated by David Rubin, is from a collection of stories called The World of Prem Chand. What is the world of Prem Chand? This story is written by Munshi Prem Chand. January Night was originally called Poos Ki Raat. Poos brings the name of the month in the Hindi solar calendar. Understood, children? So now we are going to start the story. Halku. Who was Halku? Halku was a very poor peasant, a garib kisan. Halku came in and said to his wife, "The landlords come, get the rupees you set aside. I'll give him the money and somehow or other we'll get along without it." Halku asked his wife, "Okay, listen, the money which you had set aside to buy the blanket, now please give that money to whom? To the landlord. He has come to take the money." Munni had been sweeping. She turned around and said, "But there are only 3 rupees. If you give them to him, where's the blanket going to come from? How are you going to get through these January night in the fields?" Now, what does Munni say? Munni ने कहा कि when you are going to give away these 3 rupees to whom? To the landlord. Then how are you going to buy the blanket? For what? For the cold January nights when you are going to stay in the cold chilly winds blowing in the January nights in the fields. Tell him we'll pay him after the harvest, not right now. She tell that we are going to pay him then after the harvest. जब खेत कट जाएगा then we are going to pay it, not right now. For a moment, Halku stood hesitating. Without a blanket, he couldn't possibly sleep in the fields at night. He thought that how he is going to sleep without the blanket in the night. But the landlord would be put off. He'd threaten and insult him. The landlord, he had threatened also. He had insulted him also for the money. So what it mattered if they died in the cold weather as long as they could just take care of this calamity right now. He said to his wife, no matter they are going to face all the calamity, first they have to pay the money to whom? To the landlord. As he thought this, he moved to his heavy body that gave lie to his name. His name was Halku, but he was very heavy and came close to his wife. Trying to coax her, he said, trying to console her, "Be quiet. Come on, give it to me. We'll manage. We'll manage anyhow." How? He said that he is going to manage anyhow the money and he will get a blanket for the January nights. I'll figure out some other plan to get the blanket. Munni drew away from him. Her eyes angry, she said, "You just tell me what other plan can be found. Is somebody going to give you a blanket?" She said, "Is somebody going to give you a blanket? What other plan? God knows how many debts are always left over that we can never pay off." He said, "इतने कर्ज होते हैं that we are not able to pay all the debts. What I say, if you give up this tenant farming." अब क्या कहती? Give up the tenant farming. Children, what is the tenant farming? The works killing you. Killing you मतलब आपको मारे जा रहा है. Whatever your harvest goes to pay up to the errors. So why not finish with it? Earn some money for your own belly. I won't give you the money now. फिर क्या कहती है कि tenant farming में क्या होता है कि you are doing that, you are farming for somebody else and that you are going to pay the errors. मतलब आप उसमें क्या होता है, आप farming भी करते हो और उसमें का आप उसका पार्ट भी देते हो, एज अ मनी ऑल्सो देते हो एज अ टेनेंट, कि आप उसके खेतों में एज अ रेंट काम कर रहे हो. सो वाई आर यू नॉट वर्निंग? अपने आप के लिए अपने खेत पे क्यों नहीं काम अपने खेत पे नहीं तो खुद के लिए एज अ लेबरर काम करो ताकि यू कैन गेट द मनी. सो शी सेड शी वाज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द मनी टू द लैंडलॉर्ड. सैडली हल्कू सेड देन आई have to put up with the abuse. उसने कहा so I'm going to say the to the landlord, and landlord is surely going to abuse him for the money. The bitter truth in the Halku's words came changing at Munni's like a wild beast. She became so angry. Then she went to the Niche hall where there was a wall. In that wall there was a money, and the house they had a कहते हैं ना पक्का घर तो होता नहीं था, कच्चा घर. इन दैट दे हैड अ वॉल दैट टाइम एंड दे यूज्ड टू कीप द मनी इन दैट. शी टुक आउट द मनी फ्रॉम देन एंड शी handed it to Halku. Then she said, give up farming this time if you work as a hired labor. Hired मतलब ना कि जैसे कि आपको हायर किया गया, किराए का लेबर. यू विल एट लीस्ट गेट इनफ फूड टू ईट फ्रॉम इट. फाइन वर्क फार्मिंग समवन एल्स लैंड, है ना. किसी दूसरे के लैंड में फार्मिंग से तो अच्छा है कि आप एज अ लेबर काम करो, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. Halku took the money and went outside looking as enough he was tearing his heart out and giving it away. अच्छा लगा कि he was so sad, जैसे अपना कलेजा चीर के वो पैसा दे रहा. To whom? To the landlord. He saved the rupees from this work. अपने इस work से he saved pie for his what? For his blanket. For which time? For the January rite. Today he was going to throw it away, just going to give up that money. With every step his head sank lower under the burden of his poverty. With the burden of his poverty, हर एक स्टेप वो डेप्थ में अपनी गरीबी के ही दलदल में वो फंसा जा रहा था. हो very sad children. And children, this story is quite interesting and we will carry on tomorrow children this story. So thank you again children.